Namaste everyone, welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and let's begin today's yoga session. For today's session, make sure that you have a pillow and a block or two folded blankets. So let's start. So take the pillow and let's sit in Vajrasana using the pillow. Bring the hands onto your knees. Gently open your eyes. Make the fist of your hands. Bring the fist around the navel. Lift your chest up. Inhale. As you exhale, bend forward. You can also place a block or folded blanket so you can rest your forehead onto the block. Inhale, come back up. Let go of the block. Take out the right foot. Place the right foot flat on the ground. While your left hand onto the left knee, right elbow onto the right knee. Rest your face into your hands. Close your eyes and balance. Exhale, release. Change your leg. Left foot flat on the ground. Right hand onto the right knee. Left elbow onto the left knee. Rest your face into your hands. On the next exhalation, gently release. Go back into Vajrasana. Take the block, place it depending whether place standing up or side like this, depending on the mobility of your body. So if you can't move too forward, you can keep like this, vertical, otherwise horizontal. Then bring your right arm up, left hand from back, interlock your fingers, inhale. As you exhale, bend forward, bring your forehead onto the block. Inhale up, exhale, release, change your hand, left arm from up, right hand from back, interlock your fingers. Inhale, As you exhale, bend forward, bringing your forehead onto the block. Inhale back. Exhale, release. Let go of the block and your pillow. Or you can continue to try with the pillow if you're really uncomfortable. Keep your knees open. Bring your hands forward. Inhale. As you exhale, bring your right arm under the left for threading needle. Stretching the arm all the way out. And bring your left arm, palm flat on the ground, and lift your hips up. And balance, supporting with both palm and lifting the left leg up, stretching all the way up. Exhale down. Changing the hand. Inhale. As you exhale, bring your left arm under the right forehead, side of the head on the ground. Then bring the palm on the ground. Take support of your hands. Lift your hips up. Adjust the body so that you are most comfortable possible in your body. Once you're ready, inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale down. Go back into child pose. Push with your hands, come back up. Then take the feet away from your hips, so your hips goes onto the ground. Then bend backward. Stand onto your elbows. Check the hips, lifting the hips, dropping the hips down. Then if you can, go ahead all the way down, or you can keep standing onto your elbows. But of course, if you go all the way down, then you will feel much better, much more stretches, deeper stretches. And bring the arms up above the head, interlock your fingers and let go for a moment. Hold and breathe. Come out of the asana, bring the hands, hold your ankles or shin bones, push with your elbows, come back up and stretch your legs out, shake them, then bend your left knee, hold the right toe or right shin bone or ankle, wherever is easier and convenient in your body. Then hold the left foot toe. Inhale. As you exhale, open the legs as if you are opening an arrow in the bow. Exhale, release. Change leg. Hold the left toe or shin bone or ankle. Hold the right toe. Inhale. As you exhale, open the arrow in the bow. Exhale, release. And join the sole of the feet together. Shake your legs. Gradually stop and go into Sukhasana in any comfortable seated posture. Close your eyes, let go for a moment, and become aware how this yoga practice helping your body to be stronger, mind to be calmer, peacefulness comes. Rub your palm together. Bring them onto your face, onto your eyes. Give thanks in prayer pose. And gently open your eyes. Thank you very much, everyone, whoever joined me in this yoga practice. And I look forward to see you in my upcoming yoga practices. Namaskar.